so in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Ninja Luxe Cafe Espresso machine. This is going to be a first impression and unboxing video, so let's get started. First, you get the manuals and everything. So this is what the top of the box looks like. All right, so this is the Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro Series starter kit. Paper right here, single, double, Luxe, and the portafilter. Welcome to your Luxe Cafe. And you open that, and it has all the accessories and everything in here. Cleaning accessories too. The double shot. This is the Luxe. And this is the single. This is the portafilter. Feels super nice quality. It has the tray right here. Just super nice. Something I really like is how it has the lift here handles, so you can just pick it up and set it down. That is so smart. Thank you, Ninja, for that. This is the frother container, and it shows you the best results, best to avoid, best results, and the cleaning routine for the frother and everything. And just put that in there. The machine looks like. So this is the frothing station. It has stickers over here showing you some recipes. In the back, this is the water over here. Sticker off. Accessory storage over here. Stickers everywhere. Oh, and you can put your cleaning stuff in there too. If you open this up. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh, so you can put this. All your little cups right here. That is so nice. Oh, I love that. This down here goes right here. This is the top of the machine. And this is where you put your whole beans in. You pour them in there. Water, because the water's back there, yeah. It has to start here with a QR code. If you are confused on anything, you can scan it and have videos on that. So let me peel that off. Oh, that's so nice. So this is grind, espresso, coffee, and froth. And I'm assuming this is the button to start the coffee. Power, descale, clean, and purge. I know this is the clean, like the frother. Froth and purge right here to clean out the frother. And this, you can lift it up like that. And you put it in. That one I just noticed. So this, I don't know if you can tell on camera. It's a little hard, but it says latte and cappuccino. It shows you where to pour the milk, I'm assuming. It has a drip tray to empty too. This is where you put it in for it to grind. And this talks about the tamp after grinding. One tamps it for you with that lever right there, which is nice. Over here it has the grind size, coarse, and fine. I'm gonna read the manual and figure out what I'm doing before I show me making coffee. Their drip tray right here, you can adjust it to where you want it and what level, which is really nice. The portafilter in here, just to show you an example what it looks like. Set up my whole little coffee bar. They give you this quick start guide. Thoroughly clean and dry all items before proceeding. You want to test your hard water first. You put the strip in there, you wait a minute, and then after a minute, you'll see all the different squares, and that'll tell you what level your water is, if it's soft or hard. And you adjust it on the panel, your water hardness, and that's going to help you for when you have to clean your machines up and take a look at it. Espresso machine descaler. Then you get the hard water test. And then these are the espresso machine cleaning tablets. Whatever this is, I'm not sure. You have the little cleaning brush. This is to clean inside where the beans are. I'm pretty sure that filter in there. Water test first. So I'm gonna go get water that I would use in the machine real quick. What it looks like, all the squares are covered in the water. Automatically is set to a 5 for the hard water. So you just wanna turn the dial to the number that you got. I'm gonna do mine at 4. There we go. We're all set up. That was super easy to do. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. All right, so this is what the machine looks like on. All the different settings. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Before we make our coffee, I have to flush the machine first. With the red dot where it says insert, you put it up and then you just lock it into place. Make sure you add water in the back. Classic. So classic, oh, I was already on classic. Size button, the 12, a cup under here. Start brew. Oh, there it goes. The bars on each level it's at. I'm gonna go ahead and put my beans in here. I'm just gonna grab a scoop, put that in there, that up. Now we can put this here. Okay, over here where it says grind. It says recommended and current. Perfect, so I don't even have to adjust it. If I needed to adjust it, I would go here and just move this. So it says strength, and I guess you adjust the strength that you want. And you click start grind. And they say you do not touch this until it's done grinding. That's not too loud. That sounds fine. So now it says tamp. So you do it 2 times. They say you want to push it down all the way so you feel resistance, and then up, and then do it 1 more time. And we're gonna take it out of here. Very beautiful. Now we're gonna line that up right here and lock it. Espresso cup, I got this from Amazon. I absolutely love it. Caramel sauce, and put some of that in there. All right, so I'm putting my cup in here. It's on espresso, and you just click start brew. I'm doing a double shot of espresso. Ooh, looks good. Oh my gosh, that is a nice color. That looks so good. And here. Dairy, and then you can choose what kind of froth you want. I'm gonna do this one and click go. That is purging out. Nice and warm. So I'm gonna make my cold foam now. I put some heavy cream and some syrup in here. Just put that in there like that. If you want cold foam, you have it on this setting right here with the little snowflake right there. And you click start froth. And I'm just gonna put my espresso in here. That's what the cold foam looks like. And just put that over. It has the perfect consistency. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so convenient to have this in the same machine. That is my coffee. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, it tastes amazing. You just drizzle it right on. It literally tastes better than any coffee place. Like, this quality is so good. It does not taste burnt. Like, this tastes so good. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.